Hey y'all! Today we're continuing our series of East Tennessee campgrounds and we're going to drive through Cove Creek RV. Cove Creek is located between Pigeon Forge and Townsend in Weirs Valley. It's just off Highway 321 and has amazing views. This one has almost 100 RV sites. Some of them are on gravel and some have a concrete pad. They have a mix of pull-throughs and back-ends. You also have a choice of mountain views or what they call a creekside view. All of their sites are full hookup with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer. They also have picnic tables and fire rings, and they do offer Wi-Fi and cable here. They also have 11 tent sites and cabins to rent if you don't have an RV. Some of their other amenities include a saltwater pool, a stocked pond where you can do catch and release fish. They have a bathhouse and laundry facilities. They have a playground for the kiddos, and they have a bark park for Fido. They also offer short and extended stay options here. These are their rates at the time of this video. We have a lot more East Tennessee campground tours coming up, so make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're watching. Thanks for watching today, y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here and let us know what you'd like to see in East Tennessee.